Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Empresa Elementary School, home of the Knights. And this is in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. Right here in the NPR, where we just had another amazing assembly, very fun one today, which was entitled Icebreakers, the sub-theme being fun team building games. And so through a series of activities, sort of like minute to win it type of games that I used to do with my youth group back in the day, they're definitely fun, definitely different. Some involve toilet paper, some involve cotton balls, pantyhose, tennis balls, Oreos. So a wide range of different, just games that have this underlying teaching moment, right? And these underlying principles that I was wanting to incorporate with them. We're talking about icebreakers, so I brought up the idea after we did all the activities of the iceberg and how most of them are about 10% above water, 90% below. And I compare them to people, right? That so many times we only show what's on the surface. We don't really let people in to know what's going on in our lives and our hearts. And it can be exhausting, right? To have to put on that mask per se each and every day. It takes a lot of effort to be someone that you're not, right? And so the goal was to say, hey, let's lower the waterline. Let's be 100% in, 100% real. Take that mask off in a figurative sense and really try to just be ourselves, right? There's a certain freedom and just a freeing nature when you can just be who you are. And so many times, sometimes we change who we are around different groups of people that we're around, and to continue, to try to keep that up each and every day, each and every moment, it's definitely not easy. And, it's draining. And so for the students to, hear that deeper message behind the fun things that we did was really important, because it's these life lessons that if we can grasp at a very young age, hopefully, we start understanding that the people that really matter to us, that are true friends, will always respect us for who we are, for being ourselves, and know that all of us are true miracles, right? We see that in ourselves first, for sure, and knowing our worth, our value, like the lines on our hand, M that I always trace for all my assemblies, M for miracle, W for worthy. But to really believe consciously that we are miracles, right? Then all of a sudden, we just have this freeing sense to just, go out and not worry so much about judgment and people talking behind our back, because it's going to happen. I'm sure it has happened to you or has in the past. And the idea is to not let it get to us, right? Our true friends are going to see us for this. Once we see ourselves for that, right? Once we're real with ourselves, now we can be open to others that might be in need too, right? And to be that light to their heart if we choose to. So that was the main principles for today, and just had an amazing time. This is my last visit for this school year, but I will be back again in 2025, 2026. But until then, have a great rest of 2024, 2025, a great summer. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.